Welcome to Home Projects with Mike. Today we're going to change a circular saw blade on this Porter Cable saw. Right now I have a wooden blade on here for cutting wood, and I'm going to put on a granite blade or a diamond tooth blade. It's super easy, so let's get to it. This is a 1/2 inch socket, and I think most of them would be standard. And so what you do is there's a little stopper on here, and you're going to hold that in, and that's going to keep the blade from turning. Okay, that's really the whole trick of it. And so you put that on there, your socket, and give it a little tug. That nut's going to come off. Now at this point, let's flip it around. Now another thing you might want to notice is the teeth. I always put my blades on so the words and the lettering is facing you, but it's very important on these wooden blades that the teeth point up. There goes my collar. Take that out without slicing your hand off. And then we're going to put this in. This is very important. Make sure that goes back in and make sure it lines up properly. I'm going to put this back in. I was actually very intimidated about doing this, and I had to cut some granite countertops. And so I've done this a couple times now, and it's super easy. So don't be intimidated by this. You just got to make sure you want to snug it down the best you can. And then you're going to obviously change the position of the wrench. So now you're tightening. And again, grab that button, hold it down, and it might not go down right, but you want to just keep turning this until it locks in, and give it a good tighten. Okay, button pop back out, and you're good to go. So please subscribe to my page if you like this video and it was helpful, and I'll see you next time.